Okay, we're going to do a tour of section 15, and since it's right inside the gate, I figured I might as well start up the camera, start up the GoPro. Section 15, here we come. Here's where you get your leisure times. Howdy. How are you doing? Good. Okay, here's our welcoming moose. Okay, section 15. We're here. Section 15 is off to the right. So we turn here. Looked like it said Woodland Trail, but nobody painted the sign. So here's our section 15 tour. First little cul-de-sac. Has some nice lots in here. This is like the 120s. There's 15 and 119. I've got wind reduction and video stabilization maxed out on my GoPro. Here's another nice quail ridge. $15 in the hundreds. Okay, we're still in section 15. I might have to rethink my strategy about going through all these sections one by one, but we'll see. I always liked section 15. Old growth woods, the tornado didn't get it. And here's the biggest part of section 15, also where the comfort station is. Comfort station. Yeah, there's more people out than you think, I guess. There's a little bit left to section 15. We may as well go see it. It's on the back side of the bait store. And there's also by the second well. This became a dead end when the zillion-dollar bait store got finished. Became a nice quiet little cul-de-sac in here, and the last part of section 15 is coming up. We got one little more baby cul-de-sac down by the second well. Heck, maybe it's the first well, I don't know. I always thought it was the second well though. Oh, and I forgot about a little cul-de-sac. There's a little one here. This is also section 15. Anymore, it's kind of hard to find a lot that doesn't have a trailer on it. By God, there's two more cul-de-sacs. I guess I don't get around enough. This is down by the well. Pretty quiet over here. It's a good looking trailer. The cottage. Very cool cottage. This here's my friend's place. Sunnybrook. Okay, this basically concludes our tour of section 15. Section 15 is also where this nature center is. I called it the bait store. It's definitely the nature center. Okay, on to the next section.